here's some seam opal from Lightning Ridge. It's on a black dark grey base, and it's, as you can see, there's some pinks and reds in it. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, we'll start off with the biggest bit. There's a bar here poking through a little bit. Pinks, reds there. Another spot there. Green here. This bright green eye down the bottom. Not guaranteeing what you're going to get out of it, but that's part of these sort of pieces. They're sold possibly cheaply, possibly fair price, possibly even you may feel expensive. With these sort of pieces, you've got to consider the fun in chasing it, seeing where it goes. That bit's got a bit of potential in it there. Look at the red. Goes around there. Then there's another bar up here. That there looks like it's coming through from this piece. Looks like that's the bottom. I just go around it so you get an idea. I think really the bars are running this way, if anything. This bit's just got a, looks like a little eye on the top, but don't let that fool you. Like I've said before, slice it into pieces. If you haven't got a saw, then grind it down. I don't know if you just heard that, but it's dinner time. It's got a bar on the top there, on a dark grey base. And these little bits are pinks and reds again. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.